What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters? All right, y'all, let's talk about it. Cayenne, our favorite herb around here, one of our favorite herbs. So, first, I'm gonna go over the benefits of cayenne or what cayenne can help, potentially help. I am not a doctor and I cannot give medical advice. I'm just here to share my research and my testimonies. Also, if you could be so kind to share this out, if you are not following us, be sure to follow the channel. We do sell cayenne products at blacktropical.com, where you can find our cayenne salve, our blood pressure support, which helped me come off all my blood pressure meds. So let's go over some of the benefits and then we'll talk about how it has helped us and how we use it. So a few benefits are, if you have a wound or open cut, cayenne can stop that bleed. My husband sliced his finger open. I poured a little cayenne pepper in there and the bleed stopped instantly. Amazing. But if you have a toothache, you can put some cayenne on that spot and it'll help with a toothache. Sore throat. If you have skin conditions like psoriasis, you can make a paste with the cayenne pepper powder, and you can use coconut oil, olive oil, or you can use castor oil and put that paste on and it'll help with that issue. If men, if you having issues, cayenne pepper can spice up your life in real life. If you have infections, hemorrhoids, it can stop a heart attack. Y'all, that like blew my mind away some years ago when we started looking at the cayenne plant. Stop a heart attack? That's major. Can help with headaches or migraines, can stop diarrhea, can help with digestion, can help the circulation in your body, tackles inflammation, has the ability to kill cancer cells. That's another big one. Blood pressure, can definitely lower your blood pressure, can help with aches and pains and arthritis issues, can help with cholesterol. It can open up those arteries so that blood can flow. You can also use it to help aid in weight loss. So, and boost the immune system. When we make a fire cider, which we'll do in August, we'll start our fire cider for the year. I throw cayenne in there. It's amazing. Now, a few ways we use cayenne. One of the first things we do is we grab us a cayenne capsule. We grow our own cayenne, as you can see behind me. And we capsule it. So cayenne and beets, I was on high blood pressure medicine for about 25 years. Along with changing my diet and the way I eat, I also added cayenne pepper. I stopped all my meds because I was like, my blood pressure high. Let's try something else. So I decided, let's trust God 100%, which I should have been doing from the beginning. But you know, we listen to our doctors. We need these meds, we take them. Well, I stopped my meds and I leaned on God and went to his medicine. Cayenne and beets is what's in here. So we grow our cayenne and beets, freeze dry it, powder it, put it in a capsule. Easy peasy. Some people have an issue taking cayenne by itself. I don't. But I just pop one of these. Every day. Now, you may need 1, 2, or 3. You have to judge yourself. Listen to your body. Your body will tell you exactly what it needs. Cayenne is food and medicine. We also season our foods with it. Sometime I'll take a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and put it in a little shot glass with a little bit of water and some lemon juice, and I drink that. That is a great detox for the morning. We also make a cayenne salve, which is better than icy hot. You can put cayenne pepper in with castor oil, and that make the best pain and inflammation rub ever you can make real quick. We have a tincture where we take cayenne pepper, whether you use the powder or the whole cayenne pepper, and we put it in a jar and we top it with 80 proof or higher vodka alcohol. That's how we make our tincture. You can also make tinctures with vegetable glycerin, vinegar, olive oil, just to give you a few different ways to be able to make a tincture. We just use 80 proof or higher alcohol, like a Everclear, and we let it sit for 2 weeks. We shake it. Every time I think about it, I go and I'll shake it. and then I'll strain it, and I take the liquid, about a teaspoon of my tincture, and I add it to my cup of water every day, and I just sip on it as the day go on. Cayenne pepper is that amazing healer that will enter your body. It's a service herb, and it'll say, "Hey, what do you need me today? Are you low on energy? Is your blood pressure is good today? So maybe I'll go over here and tackle this arthritis. If you have ulcers, well, let's heal this ulcer because that's not right. It's not supposed to be there. The natural way of healing, cayenne pepper. Yes, it's spicy, but it is amazing. And our body, once we give our body the right condition, it heal itself. God will take over and say, hey, now we are moving the way we should move. Again, I'm not a doctor. I cannot give medical advice, but I'm just giving a few tips of what we've done to heal ourselves. After 25 years, I'm off all of my blood pressure meds. My doctor took me off all of my meds because I was able to control my blood pressure naturally. Now, I'm careful what we eat. We do go out to eat and enjoy life occasionally, but for the most part, I am very careful at what we eat. When it comes to salt and stuff like that, we use Redmond real salt, straight from the earth. So it doesn't harm us, it helps us put the body back in check and then in the right track to heal itself. Far as my pain level, we use pain away oil. We make an all natural pain away oil where we extract the capsaicin from this cayenne and mix it with castor oil and ginger, garlic, different other herbs to make a pain away oil. And it actually worked. Let us know down in the comments. Have you tried our pain away oil? It worked. Like, it blew my mind. It took us a long time to formulate this, but once we got it, thank God, we are healing ourselves naturally. How about you? Are you healing yourself? Cayenne. Do you use cayenne? Or are you afraid? Can we help you in some way? We do also offer consultations. Bobby can teach you how to grow your own cayenne farm like we got behind us. And I can help you with natural healing and different things, DIYs and all this stuff. So if you check out blackstropical.com, you can find our products and our consultations 101 with either myself or Bobby. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Please share this out because it can help someone. And most of all, we want to help as many people as we can heal themselves because God gave us that superpower. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We love to have y'all here. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.